HPL Electric and Power Ltd, an electrical equipment manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1992 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2016. They are based in Haryana, with more than 1,200 employees. They have 7 manufacturing plants, located in Gurugram, Kundali, Gharonda, and Jabli, encompassing an area of 5 lakh square meter. Company also has 2 research and development centers, in Gurugram and Kundali. The market cap of the company is 2,660 crore rupees, and currently trading at 414 rupees per share. The company has a 19% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 64% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures electronic meters, with production capacity of 11 million units per annum, switchgear, with production capacity of 16 million units per annum, lighting equipments, with production capacity of 26 million units per annum, and wires and cables, with production capacity of 194 million meters per annum. About 53% of the revenue is generated from electronic meters, and the remaining 47% from other products. Company commands a 20% market share in the electronic meters segment, and is capitalizing on the Government of India's Smart Meter National Program, which plans to replace 25 crores of conventional meters with smart meters over the next 5 years. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 1 rupee per share was paid in September 2023. Some clients of the company are ABB Group, Indian Railways, Adani, BHEL, Central Public Works Department, NTPC, Aditya Birla Group, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, Reliance Industries, and more. Coming to some key highlights. Company commands a 50% market share in the domestic on-load changeover switches market. They are leading player in electric meters market, with a market share of 20%. Company is the 5th largest LED lighting products manufacturer in India. In January 2024, company received an order for smart meter, worth Rs 240 crores. They have a strong order book of more than Rs 2,000 crores. They have a strong distribution network of more than 900 dealers, and 80,000 retail points. There are plans to reach 1 lakh retail points by fiscal year 2025. Company exports to more than 42 countries from Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, and Africa. The business mix of the company is 53% from business to business, and 47% from business to customer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.